Is there such a thing as burning belly fat while you sleep? I'm about to show you the truth about this hack. And here's the secret. These time-tested thermogenic spices that won't break the bank and are guaranteed to gently rev up your metabolism. Here's what you'll need. Ceylon cinnamon sticks, freshly ground black pepper, whole cloves, and a little coconut oil if you want an extra fat-burning boost and a touch of flavor. Here's why this drink works. Ceylon cinnamon. Known as true cinnamon, it stabilizes blood sugar, reduces cravings, and boosts metabolism. It's also packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation. Black pepper contains piperine, which enhances nutrient absorption and helps increase metabolism. Perfect for nighttime fat burning. Cloves. These little powerhouses improve digestion, reduce bloating, and help regulate blood sugar levels while you sleep. Coconut oil. Optional. It's rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, that increase energy expenditure and promote fat loss, even while you snooze. Here's how to make this simple bedtime drink. Start by boiling 2 cups of water in a pot. Add 1 to 2 Ceylon cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 whole cloves, and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Let it simmer for 10 minutes to extract all those fat-burning benefits. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil if you like. It's delicious and enhances the thermogenic effect. Strain the liquid into your mug, let it cool slightly, and sip on this magic before bed. This drink is not just tasty, it's a metabolic powerhouse that helps you burn calories while you sleep. Plus, it's super affordable, with ingredients you probably already have at home. So why not give it a try tonight? Sweet dreams and happy fat burning. Check out the store in the bio if you're in need of these fresh, tasty, safe, and powerful ingredients.